Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful rocket Giotto Evo espresso machine. It comes to us for a tune-up and it was like leaking from here most of the times when you do a shop, before, after, and like when I test the machine I find the machine needs an overhaul. So I did that. I replaced one of these pistons. It's like the way you see it, it's how this fits in the bottom here, and the rest is like this is on the top of it here, and this shaft also fits here, and that one in the top here. And I replaced the infuser. The vacuum release valve on the machine was leaking also. I didn't replace it with a new one. And I clean and reseal the water level sensor probe. Then I descaled the machine multiple times. It was like a lot of scale inside the boiler. And then I flush it over and over and over until I stop getting anything. It started getting like really clean. And even the heat exchanger, then I get deep cleaning for the steam wand, and for the hot water spout that was like really dirty and full of scale. So let's go ahead and test it. Yeah, the machine comes without its portafilter, so this is the old shower screen and gasket I get replaced in here. So in order to align the new one, you need the the same portafilter, the exact one, but I just put it when they use their portafilter. I mean the customer, he will align it right away. So I'm using something for different machine, not even rocket. I just wanna show the shot coming out of this. There we go. And the customer was complaining something like the machine get annoying from somewhere. I just tied it up together. Okay, get this great shot of thick crema, 3 layers of coffee, so that's perfect. Let's test the steamer. That works great too. And the hot water. Amazing. And the machine responding right away after we clean and reseal the water level sensor probe. So it's the same moment it starts refilling. Yeah, that's all. The machine works perfect. Thank you for watching.